Hey, how's it going, Pete? This is Brandon. I talked to you on the phone just a little bit ago. So yeah, here's that video that I said I was going to make for you, man. I'll try to keep it as short as possible, but just to give you kind of a heads up on who I am, I guess I'm a retired professional soccer player. I live in Wichita Falls, Texas, and my kind of partner in this business, her name's Marie. She's been doing SEO, search engine optimization for like 20 years. Super nerdy, technical, really good at what she does. Um, but she's like not somebody who likes to get on the phone with people. So we've kind of partnered up because that's more what I'm good at is the sort of sales of everything. Um, but basically, man, what I did when I found you guys there is I kind of took a look at this tool here. This is sort of a back end look at a website and it shows me how much traffic it gets, right? So here's you guys, axtrailers.com, 385 visitors per month going to your site. And this is what it would cost you if you were to pay for that traffic through like Google AdWords and pay-per-click stuff. It would cost you a little over 500 bucks a month to get that traffic, but you're getting that for free from people that just are visiting your site. The thing is, though, if you see here, 99.74% of all the traffic is coming from people that already know your name. So they're just searching Axe Trailers, right? And actually, it's funny here, this other little tiny percentage is coming from people searching Fontaine Extendable Trailer, which is a different, that's your competition, Fontaine, and then you're right at the top of page 2 in the number 11 spot, and so somehow they go down and see you there. But let's take a look at those other dudes, right? So Fontaine, 837 searches or visitors to their site every month. But you can see like a good bit of theirs is coming from heavy haul trailers, lowboy trailers, low bed trailers. But still, this number is not that impressive to me, and I'll show you why in just a second. Because what I did was I looked at these, and originally I searched heavy haul trailers, and that's why I put them in, because I saw them in the number 1 spot. But then I saw lowboy trailer gets 5,400 searches a month, so I searched that, and I see Kaufman Trailers is the number 1 site, right? So I plugged them in. Dude, 85,000 visitors a month going to their site. It would cost them almost 100 grand to pay for that traffic, right? But they're getting it free. Now, 14% of all that is coming from people that know their name, but the rest of this is all people searching flatbed trailer, trailers for sale, car trailer, gooseneck trailer, utility trailers. So those dudes are obviously making a killing selling trailers, just because you can see here they're on page 1 for all those terms that have really high search volumes, right? So lots of people go to their site and some of those turn into sales. So just the way the world is today, 9 out of 10 people go to Google when they look for something, and almost nobody goes past page 1. So they say that like the best place to hide a dead body is the second page of Google, and it's true because like 97% of all visitors never go past page 1. So there's just tons and tons of opportunity if you can get your site in the top spot. So basically what we do, we're not a huge company. It's literally me and this lady. What those huge companies do is they just take your money and they farm out all the work to people in India or something like that. But what we do is really extensive work. We, check out your site. We optimize things that can be optimized. We add content, add pages that need to be added. First thing is setting up on page so that it's dialed in. You guys have an awesome looking website, which is great, but content wise, there's not a whole lot. And a good explanation of this is, here's a good example. If I search elephants, the first page that comes up is Wikipedia's page on elephants. Now, why does this always show up first? It's because they've got like 20,000 words here, all about elephants. Everything you could ever want to know about them is on this page. So to Google, that's an indication that these guys are the authority on the internet for people that want information on elephants. Google's job is to put the most relevant information in front of my eyeballs as a searcher. So it's the same thing when it comes to like a local product or service or trailers. If someone's searching heavy haul trailers or lowboy trailers, they're looking to order one or buy one, they're gonna pick somebody that's probably at the top of page one and visit their site, and they might check out a few. But yeah, that's where almost all the business is going, to people that are, up here, big techs, up here on page one. You guys might be an awesome company, but you're just not in front of the eyeballs, and that's the only issue. So what we do is we work to get you there. It's hard for us to put an exact timeline. We can kind of estimate it once we take a deeper look into your site and kind of look at the competition, look at yours, think about what it's going to take to get there. And so it would take a deeper look on our end to be able to give you like a price and an estimation on when we can make that happen. But it's an investment that, in today's world, I honestly believe it's like the best investment you can make, because Google's where it's at. That's where everybody's going. If you're not there, then you're not getting seen. And sure, you guys have an established good name, and that's awesome, but you're just missing out on the thousands and thousands of other people that are in need of trailers that don't know about Axe. So hopefully this kind of makes sense. I'll put my contact info in the email, and I'd love to talk to you guys a little bit further, and we can take a deeper look if it's something that you're interested in. But yeah, thanks for your time. And just to reiterate again, it's me and this lady, Marie. We're partners in this. She lives in Austin, Texas. I'm in Wichita Falls. We're really honest people, and we do everything we can to blow up your business. There's other past results and references you can speak with. But yeah, we really go above and beyond to get results for our clients. So hope to hear back from you guys. All right, thanks. Bye.